Taking a taxi.
Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please. I'm in a hurry.
Where do you want to go?
I need to go to the airport.
That's far from here.
I know, but my flight is in 2 hours.
Okay, get in. I will drive fast.
Thank you. I hope I'm not late.
Don't worry, we have enough time.
How long does it take to get there?
About 30 minutes.
That's good.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, it's my first time flying alone.
Don't worry.
I'm a little nervous.
Everyone feels nervous the first time.
You're right.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Nice. Is this your first visit here?
Yes, I'm visiting my friend.
That sounds nice.
Oh no!
What happened?
I can't find my phone.
Check your bag.
Wait. Here it is.
Good. You scared me.
Sorry. I was so worried.
We are almost there.
Great. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
How much is the fare?
It's $20.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Morning conversation. Leo! Wake up.
What happened?
It's 8 o'clock.
Oh no, I'm so tired.
You have to get up.
My head hurts.
Really?
Yes, I don't feel well.
Did you sleep late?
Yes, very late.
That's not good.
I know.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Is your head better now?
Not really.
Maybe you need coffee.
That's a good idea.
I'll make some coffee.
Thank you so much. It smells great.
Be careful. It's hot.
I know.
How is it?
It's very good.
Drink a little more.
Sure.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, a little.
That's good.
My head doesn't hurt as much now.
Great!
I feel more awake.
Coffee always helps you.
You're right.
Are you ready for breakfast?
Yes, I'm hungry now.
What would you like?
Toast and eggs, please.
No problem.
Thanks for waking me up.
You're welcome.
Now I'm ready for the day.
Restaurant problem. Excuse me.
Yes, what is it?
I have a problem.
What is the problem?
My food is cold.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I ordered it 20 minutes ago.
Let me check.
I was very hungry.
I understand.
The pasta is cold.
I'm so sorry.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Can you bring me a hot meal?
Yes, I can.
Thank you.
It will take 5 minutes.
Okay, I can wait.
Would you like a drink while you wait?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
A glass of orange juice, please.
Sure.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Here is your orange juice.
Thank you very much.
Your new meal is ready.
Great.
Here you are.
It looks much better.
Please check the food.
It's hot now.
That's good. Is everything okay now?
Yes, everything is perfect.
I'm happy to hear that.
The food tastes great.
Thank you for your patience.
No problem.
Have a nice evening.
You too.
See you again.
Goodbye.